This problem states that Sargit Systems sold software to a customer for $80,000. As part of the contract, Sargit promises to provide free technical support over the next 6 months. Sargit sells the same software without technical support for $70,000 and a standalone 6-month technical support contract for $30,000. So combined, these products would sell for $100,000 if we were to sell them each at their separate individual prices. Prepare Sargit's journal entry to record the sale of the software. Here we have a situation where we have 2 performance obligations within a single contract. And so because of that, we need to take the transaction price, remember that was step number 3 in our revenue recognition steps, and we need to allocate that transaction price, step number 4, between the 2 performance obligations that we have, which was identified in step number 2 of a revenue recognition. So we have $80,000 as our combined price. We need to split these up using our A over A plus B method to allocate out the transaction price. So the individual prices, if we have a software that's exactly the same without technical support, it's going to be $70,000, and the technical support without the software would be $30,000. So combined, those will be $100,000. So to do product A or the software, we would do $70,000 over $100,000, meaning we have 70% that we would allocate of the $80,000 to the software. And then the remainder, 30%, or you could do B over A plus B, would be allocated to the technical support. So we'll take 80,000 and multiply by 70%. This provides for us 56,000. And we'll take 80,000 and multiply by 30%. This provides for us 24,000, or we could have just taken 80,000 and subtracted 56,000 from it. And these will be our allocations. So now we'll record the journal entry, which is the requirement of the problem. Assuming that we receive cash, we'll debit cash of 80,000 for the total transaction price. We will credit sales revenue. The portion that we're going to recognize for sales revenue is going to be for the software. It's recognized at a point in time when the software is delivered. And so that'll be 56,000. But we'll credit deferred revenue, which again is a current liability, of 24,000 for the technical support. Because remember, the technical support is going to happen over this 6-month period because they said they would provide that free, quote unquote, free technical support over that 6 months. And so we'll recognize a portion of revenue and decrease deferred revenue over time as we provide that technical support.